How y'all doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings. Just here to show you what we're doing today on this massive box trailer. That's the Wicked shop truck up front, just hooked up for electrical reasons right now. And what we're doing is we're testing our new circuits here. What we've got is some interior lighting. We got one load light right center in the back. That's going to shine down on this ramp real nice. It's going to line up this ramp. And then inside we went with our 22-inch task LED. Now I'm zoomed out a little bit, give you a fisheye lens. We've got 4 of those task LEDs running down each side. You can see there. And we've also got one immediately inside right here. Swivel down backwards and show you what I'm talking about. That's centered up immediately inside of the door, facing straight down. And then down the side of this trailer, we did 4 of our 22-inch task LEDs. We just mounted them right down the side in an interval on each side. We tied it all in to a factory switch, did a little wiring magic there to make it all work. And that's what we've got. We've got 9 22-inch task LEDs on the inside of this big old box trailer. And this will keep it nice and bright in here for him when he's loading up his cars. And keep him nice and safe. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting and LED equipment, including task LEDs and some trailer stuff once in a while.